Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's lesson. Today we want to make a wind-up car. This car will move forward when you wind up the back tires and allow it to move. To do this, we need carton, cardboard paper, ruler, paint, double-sided tape, rubber band, bottle caps, a paintbrush, pencil, scissors, a pin, and paper straw. We start by cutting this carton. So let's clear our table. You measure 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So let's go 15 centimeters from this side. This edge 15. Let's also measure 15 this way. Okay, then let's cut. Alright, let's draw the line at first. That's 15 centimeters, then 8 centimeters is this way. Good. So mark it. Also mark here. And we draw the line like this, and then we cut. So this is what we're looking for. So let's cut this one out. Okay, 15 by 8 is confirming. 15, 8 is this one. 15 by 8. Okay, so let's get to this one. Okay. Now with your 15 by 8 centimeters, we're going to measure 2 centimeters at this end. I will mark it 2 centimeters, 2. So we mark like this. Good. So mark another 2 centimeters this way. Mark 2 centimeters again. So on this 2 centimeters line, let's mark 5 centimeters this way. 5. This is 5, and this is 5 centimeters. So let's make sure it's 2 centimeters from the end. 2, and here 2 centimeters. So we join these two lines together like this and like this. So you have something like this. Good. Now, so at this end, we're going to draw 1.5 centimeters. We'll mark 1.5. Here also 1.5 centimeters, and we'll draw a straight line like this. Next, from the end, we'll mark 7 centimeters here, 7 centimeters here. Then we'll draw a straight line also. Good. Let me go over it again. You mark 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters here, 2 here. You draw a straight line, mark 5, draw it, mark 1.5, 1.5, and 7 centimeters. Now the last thing we're going to do is from this end, you draw a smooth curve. Okay. Let's mark out 2 centimeters on this line. This is 2, another 2. So from this point, you mark a smooth curve this way. Here also a smooth curve this way. So you have something like this when you're done. Now we cut. So from here, we'll cut it this way to this side. Good. Now we cut it down here also. something like this. You cut this one also. So you have something like this. Good. We're moving forward. So when you are done, you cut this part out neatly. You have something like this, and you cut this other one also. Cut it out. Take it out. Then you have something like this. Next, we'll paint it whatever color you want to paint it. For me, I'll paint it red. So get your paintbrush, paint. So you paint it red. Paint the back also. So you allow this one to get dry. So we're done with this. We can keep it. So let's clean up our table. Next, you get your cardboard paper and you measure 6 centimeters from the edge. 6 centimeters from the edge. This is 6. Then you also measure 3 centimeters. Come down here, do the same thing. Measure 6 centimeters. 6, and then measure 3. Finally, down here also you do the same thing. 6 centimeters and you measure 3. Then you draw the lines, join them together. Good, then the same thing. Join these ones. This one. Okay, next you cut this one out. This excess one out. This one is not needed. So this is 3 centimeters, this is also 3 centimeters, so you cut it into 2. Cut it carefully. Good. Now you have 2 pieces like this. Next, you get your double-sided tape and then you cut it. Good. Then you get one of this strip, you place it here at one of the ends like this neatly, then cut out any excess part. Next, get your pin and remove the outer layer of the double-sided tape neatly, and you have something like this. You get rid of this one, get the other one, and then join it together like this. Then you have something like this. It's going to become one piece. So do yours too like that. Next, you get your paper straw and then you measure 11 centimeters for both of them. 11 centimeters. This is 11. Then you cut 11 centimeters. This is 11. This is also 11 centimeters. So get rid of this one. Let's confirm it. Good. Keep it. You get the other cardboard paper. This one is about 20 centimeters by 24 centimeters. So you get your pencil, but before then, let's cut our double-sided tape and place it across this end. Okay, you get your double-sided tape, place it across this end neatly like this. Use your pin to remove the outer layer of the double-sided tape. Like this. Then you get your pencil and you roll it like this to form a tube. You roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it this way. Again. Carefully roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Then ta-da! Remove your pencil and you have a tube like this. Good. Now you get your ruler. You measure at one of the ends. You measure 2 centimeters. Is 2 centimeters. Then you also measure 4 centimeters. And finally, you measure 12 centimeters. 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. Then you cut it out. Cut out the 2 centimeters. You have something like this. You keep it. You cut out the other one that is 4 centimeters. You have something like this. You keep it. Then the one for 12 centimeters, you cut it like this. Get rid of this one. Then you have something like this. So 3 of them. Good. Next, you get this your paper straw and this cardboard paper. You cut out your double-sided tape. Place it at one end of this paper like this. Get your pin and remove the outer layer of the double-sided tape neatly. Like this. Then get your paper straw that's 11 centimeters and place it in the middle like this. You have something like this. Then you roll it neatly. Roll it neatly. Down, down, down. Neatly like this. Okay. Neatly, and you have something like this, and you can keep it. Good. Next, you get this one that is now dried. You turn it upside down like this. Then you get this thing you rolled and you put it inside. So let's roll it again. Roll it. Good. Let's do it together. When it's facing up, you turn it upside down. You put it under like this. Then you remove this part like this. Something like that. Good. Then you keep it on the floor. You can suspend it in something. Good. Then you get your double-sided tape. Cut it out neatly about this length. Then you place it here at this part, and then you glue this one on it. But before then, we need to remove the outer layer neatly with your pin. Good, something like this. Then you place this one across it like this, and it's firm. You have something like this. Then you turn the other side. You can apply top bond or you apply your double-sided tape. Cut it neatly like this. You get one of these ones that is 2 centimeters. You put it here. Then you lift it up and place your double-sided tape here so that it can hold it here. Get your pin, remove the outer layer. Good. Then you glue it to this place. Then it's firm. Here the second one, you put it on this second side. Get your double-sided tape. You put it under. Remove the outer layer. And you place it firmly. Get your double-sided tape again across this part. Cut. Place it here like this. Remove the outer layer like this. And you get the other tube and you place it along this part like this. Then you have something like this. Good. Next, you get the other paper straw. You put it inside here. Then you have something like this. Okay. You get your bottle cap. You bore a hole. And you use the scissors to make the hole a little bit big. You have something like this. You do the same for all 4 bottle caps. When you're done, you put the bottle cap here like this. You put the other one here. So let's test it. It's good to go. Get the other ones. Put this one here. Okay, now but before then you can put your rubber band on the tire, which is the bottle cap, like this. So you place the rubber band on the other one like this. Something like this. Good. So you put it here. And then the other one you put it here carefully. Good, and you're good to go. Let's clear a table and test it here. When you're done, your wind-up car will look like this. How does it work? You wind up the back tires like this carefully. carefully, then it will gather energy. Then you place it and allow it to move. Good. So let's do it again. The wind up car looks like this. You wind up the back tires carefully. Wind it up. Then you place it at one end and then allow it to move like this. So something like that. You can do it another direction. Let's not wind it so much. Just little, and you leave it and it will move. So that'll be all for today. To have your wind up car, you need a carton, cardboard paper, bottle caps, your rubber band, paper straw, your scissors, your ruler, and that's all. See you next time. Goodbye.